Hi, I'm Doug Price. I'm with Media Resources, and I'm here at InfoComm 2025. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our TruVIEW2 system. We have products that go from 0.625 millimeter. This is the new product. You'll notice it's very tough product. You'll see you can put your hands on our products. We go from 0.62, 0.78, 0.93, 1.25, 1.56. We have 1.875, 2.5, 3.75 and 5.35. Now that's not here because I didn't want to have to trip on it, okay? But this product is really cool. Now we have an example of the same system over here. This is an actual installed 2x2 array. This is being installed and taken down and reinstalled at InfoComm during the show. So if you get a chance to come by and see it, it's 2 or 3 times a day. We have someone that does this. It only takes about 20 minutes to do, and it gives you a great example of the system. Thanks for watching me. And don't forget to visit us at www.mediaresources.com.